We're here to introduce Schweigen's SteelFlex safety duct. This is a new and improved product which is pest, crush, abrasion and fireproof. Due to the Shirikon Firemesh silicon-based material, neither fat, oil or grease will stick to the ducting, unlike rigid and semi-rigid ducting. The duct has a steel helix ribbing which gives it rigidity and extreme strength while remaining flexible. Now we'll demonstrate how to install the SteelFlex safety duct to either the bell adapter or the 200mm diameter mounting pipe. Coming with the duct, there will be two hose clamps or ring clamps. The tools you'll need will be a flathead screwdriver to do up the ring clamp and a battery impact driver and probably some 20mm button head screws which are self-drilling. Right, we're going to slide our hose clamp over the duct and we'll just leave it parked down there for a little bit later. We'll pop our bell mouth adapter into the end of the duct like so. Now, the reason we use the button head self-drilling screws is to hold the duct onto the bell adapter, and that way it stops it from ever falling off. Now that the button head screws are in place and the duct is nicely attached to our bell adapter, we can simply slide the ring clamp up over the bell adapter like so, and with our flathead screwdriver start to tighten it. Okay, that's now ready to be attached to the mounting pipe. Now that we've got our bell mouth adapter on the end of the mounting pipe, it's a great idea to put at least one of the self-drilling screws in through the bell adapter into the mounting pipe, like so, just so that the bell adapter can never slide off. Well, that's the end of the video, except to say, please don't use duct tape to fasten the duct. The screws and the hose clamp will be more than enough to hold it in position. If you have any further queries, please call the Schweigen service hotline. Thank you for watching.